my friend, P. Sherman Tech here, W5PWS, and today I'm going to talk about my common mode choke, and we're going to assemble it into a box, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Let's get started. So the focus of this video is just to kind of show you how I made mine. There are tons of other videos that give a lot more technical information and other stuff that's important, and I learned from them. I watched a ton of videos to know how to do mine, and so a common mode choke, or a one-to-one Balun, it's also called, is designed to block unwanted currents running back into your receiver, but allowing your signals to get through. And we'll use it in the field for POTA or any other field activation that I might be doing. So I needed the battery box, and I'm building the field the choke now, and later I'll be doing an antenna, and then I'll be getting a box from Harbor Freight and be headed out into the field. All right, well, let's get to the construction video. All right. Alright, I'm back, and here it is, the common mode choke. And so I learned a lot from a lot of people on YouTube. Primarily, I would say the Smokin' Ape. He has a lot of technical videos, and he knows a lot more than I do about the technical aspects of this. And I made decisions when I was building the original, toroid, and I couldn't explain exactly, the technical issues that I face, or the technical issues that come up when you're doing something like this. Like, for example, I chose the wire winding method as opposed to the coax winding method. I think because a video I watched said that was more efficient or could handle more power. It was the same thing with I used a 240-31 composition ferrite toroid because for the same types of reasons that I couldn't explain to you because I don't know the technical aspects of it. So there is a lot of information out there that I can't really help you with. So I would do the research yourself and make decisions yourself. But I think for the most part this is going to work for what I want to use it for, field work. But I'll tell you next that I got everything that I needed on YouTube, Amazon. I got the ferrite core, the toroid, as some people call it, and I got 18 gauge silicone wire is what I use. About 6 feet of black and 6 feet of red for the windings. I got the 239 connectors, the project box, the hardware. And then you might notice that there's a little black plastic thing I printed on my printer. It's a little support. I didn't want it just laying on the bottom shaking around, so I did that. I designed it in my 3D program. And so that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to try to answer them. This is Pete Sherman Tech. Take care.